you're going. I wanna go wherever you're headed. Can you let me know? Don't mind catching up, I'm on my way. Just can't take the thought of you miles away. And I know you're going somewhere to make a better life. I hope that you find it on the first try. And even though it kills me that you have to go, I know it will be sadder if you never hit the road. So farewell. Somebody's gonna miss you. Somebody's gonna win.
Hello, Sir Louie. Kumusta po? Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tulong, sa lahat ng mga tinuro nyo sa akin, sa tagal na magkasama or magkausap tayo, sa mga lahat ng tinanong ko. Salamat po sa mga sagot. Lagi kayong andyan. Wish ko po sa inyo pag uwi ng Pilipinas, ma-enjoy nyo rin kasama ng family nyo. Good luck sa bagong tatahakin nyo sa Philippines po. And sana keep in touch pa din. Huwag kayong magpalit ng number, WhatsApp pa din tayo. Salamat, Sir Rui. God bless. And see you soon. Sana yung papalit sa'yo, tulad sa'yo po. Salamat po, Sir Rui. God bless.
Sir Rowie, dumating na yung araw na balik Pilipinas na kayo. And I am happy for you because I know gusto mo to and you will be with your family. Pero it's also a sad day for us, for those who have witnessed how you work. And una sa lahat, gusto ko lang sir magpasalamat sa iyo sa lahat ng nagawa mo, sa serbisyo na ibibigay mo. Malaking bahagi po kayo sa lahat ng accomplishment na nangyari din sa team namin dyan sa Dubai at sa Ventaha. Nang dahil sa iyo, marami din kaming success. Isa po kayo sa talagang nagpatunay kung ano yung tinatawag na serbisyo publiko. So, in behalf of Ventaha Sir Rowie and sa akin din, talagang you were an inspiration kung paano mag-serve sa mga miyembro natin at sa ating mga customer na lagi namin alalahanin at lagi namin gawing reminder sa amin na paano magserbisyo at ano dapat serbisyo na ibibigay. Maraming salamat Sir Rowie. I wanna let you know that you truly have made a difference in the years that you have spent in Dubai. Na-witness ko talaga yon. So I really wish and pray for you for the next chapter of your career. And I'm sure God has a great plans for you. Sir Rowie, thank you so much. In behalf of Ventaha, maraming salamat po.
On behalf of the management and Philippine staff of Alpardan Exchange across the UAE, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Sir Rowie for inviting us to participate in outreach activities as collection partner and for providing us invaluable assistance with our daily SSS queries. We wish you all the best in your new endeavor and hope your journey ahead will fill with success and happiness. Daghang salamat.
Hi Sir Mark, in behalf of Alpardan Exchange Sodaiba branch, thank you for your support. Wish you all the best.
Hello po Sir Rui, magandang araw sa iyo. Maraming salamat po sa serbisyo at mabuhay ka.
Sir Rowie, maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa suporta ninyo sa amin, sa Alpardan Exchange, dito po sa Alriga branch. Di lang ho iyon, mula po sa aking puso, sa maraming taon na suporta, lalo-lalo na po sa mga kababayan natin. Thank you po sa serbisyo ninyo. Ingat po. Good luck po.
Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin kami. Mula sa 3 Angels ng MWO ay cleaner pala. Maraming salamat Sir Rowie. Have a safe flight. We will miss you. Sir Rowie. 1, 2, isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Bon voyage, Sir Rowie. We love you. We miss you.
Hi, Rowie. Miss you. Wishing you all the best. Always be humble, stay happy. Miss all the memories natin dyan sa Dubai. Especially dyan staying sa villa. Kainan after office. I will cherish that forever. Sana, kita-kits tayo ulit sa Pinas. Nila Wela at Benji. Bye! God bless!
Hi, Sir Rowie. Good evening from the Philippine Embassy in London. It's 9:30 na and pauwi pa lang kami ni Ate Jang. I would like to thank you for the friendship, for being a good colleague. I miss the times na kumakain tayo dun sa compound and also our small talks sa verification office. Good luck and hope to see you in the Philippines. Bye!
Just a quick message for my dearest friend Rowie. Hi girl! I just want to congratulate you girl para sa matagumpay na pagtatapos ng iyong tour of duty dyan sa Dubai United Arab Emirates. I am pretty sure na mamimiss ka ng ating mga kaibigan dyan. But, you know, we have to move on. Kailangan natin talaga mag-move on, girl. Alam mo yan. Kailangan natin mag-move forward. So, as we move forward, we wish you safe flight. Pabalik dito sa Manila, that's one. And number 2, we wish you the best of luck in your future career endeavors. And we want you to be very healthy, always, okay? Because I'm waiting here in Manila dahil nangako ka, we're going to party to celebrate your success. Okay? So I'll wait for you here in Manila. See you. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.
A blessed day to all and to our beloved boss sa SSS, Sir Rowie. First of all, I'd like to thank God for all the blessings na binigay at ibibigay pa po sa atin. And of course, sa MWO family, lalo-lalo po sa inyo, Sir Rowie, maraming salamat po from the bottom of my heart for all the learnings, opportunities, and support to work here at SSS Dubai. Hindi ko man po, sir, isa-isayin lahat. God knows how you helped me a lot. Congratulations po, sir, sa new position. And best of luck with your future endeavors. And hindi kita, sir, makakalimutan, lalo na po yung kumain tayo sa Cheesecake Factory nila, Sir Ed, kung paano nyo po ako pinang. Sobrang memorable po sa akin nun. And di ka na po masyado papabahain, sir. God knows how big is your heart to help other people. Maraming salamat po pala, sir, sa advance Christmas gift niya sa amin ni Sir Ed. And continue to bless more people. And may God bless you abundantly. Love you, sir.
Hi, Sir Rowie. I'm so happy that finally, for more than 7 years, ay natapos mo na yung tour of duty mo at makakauwi ka na for good. Nakakalungkot lang din po ay dahil iiwanan tayo ng napakahusay at napakasipag na boss na kahit weekend, bahay niya, ginagawa niyang opisina para magtrabaho pa rin at sumagot ng napakaraming emails. Kaya naman ang SSS Dubai, Northern Emirates ay well-established talaga at laging number 1 ng UAE sa lahat ng posts. Alam din ng lahat dito sa opisina kung gaano ka kabait, kung gaano kabuti ng iyong puso. Dahil mapabago man na dumadating dito, na luma man na mga tao dito, ang dali mo makibagay. Lahat sila nagiging friends mo, nagiging kaibigan mo. Kaya naman din well-loved and respected ka ng mga tao dito sa opisina. Wala din ka-arte-arte sa katawan yan. Pag sinabing magbubuhat ng mga upuan, kahit boss yan, magbubuhat yan. Hindi yan magrereklamo. Kaya respetado ka talaga ng mga tao dito sa opisina. At I'm very grateful, thankful na ikaw ang naging boss ko. May dumadating na mga problema. Alam naman namin it's beyond your control, pero you're always extending your hands to help me, to help us, Benji, also Darren. Kaya naman sa pag-uwi mo, mamimiss ka namin. Isang napakahusay, mabuting puso, friendly, and also generous sa lahat ng bagay. Mamimiss kita, sir. Good luck sa tatahakin mong trabaho ulit o sa panibagong buhay mo sa Pilipinas. I love you, sir. Ingat po lagi and advance Merry Christmas.
Mars, this is it. Bye-bye na. Aalis ka na. Iiwan mo na talaga kami. I know, eto naman talaga yung wish mo na magstay na sa Pinas para makapiling mo ang iyong pamilya. May God continue to bless you in your next chapter of your life. Have a safe trip back home. We will surely miss you, Mars. Please keep in touch and salamat sa friendship from your nag-iisang pag-ibig.
아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real.
Hi, Rowie. Paano yan? Talagang disbanded na yung Tres Marias. Nang natira, isa na lang. Kaya talaga namang ganun ang buhay natin dito sa post. Talagang darating at darating yung end of tour. Well, good luck sa new journey mo and hope to see you around pagdating ko ng Pinas ulit. Good luck. Hi, Rowie. First of all, gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyo, sa iyong friendship. Kahit pa paano, kilala rin kita bilang isang kaibigan dito sa MWO. Maligayang pag-alis sa ating tahanan dito sa MWO. At for sure, sana magkita pa ulit tayo. Bye.
Hi, Rowie. I'm so grateful na nakasama ka namin dito sa MWO Dubai. Alam ko matagal mo na itong hinihintay. Yung pag-uwi mo sa Philippines. I can still remember nung nagiinom tayo parate. Si either kila Abeng o kila Joper. Parati mong kinikwento na excited ka na umuwi. So, may biroan pa nga tayo na ako yung maiiwan talaga dito, no? Pero ganun talaga. Anyway, ilang buwan na lang siguro kikita naman tayo sa Philippines. So good luck sa'yo sa bago mong assignment and thank you sa lahat ng pinagsamahan natin sa friendship. Good luck and we will miss you. Bye-bye.
We will miss you, Sir Rowie. Bon voyage. Oh, don't you want me like I want you, baby?
Mula sa Assistant sa National Section ng MWO Dubai,
Kabay and Rowie, safe travels. We will miss you.
bye!
Rowie, thank you for being a great colleague and for your service to MWO Dubai.
We will miss you and wishing you every success in your future ventures.
We wish you a good luck sa Rowie and all the best sa career niyo po. May God bless you always.
Love, Bear family.
Rowie, for the 7 years you have been with MWO Dubai, it has been very meaningful and fruitful years that you have provided your services to our overseas Filipino workers. And likewise, the friendship you have created with all the officers and staff of MWO Dubai. We will truly miss you.
Thank you and bon voyage, Sir Rowie. We will miss you.
Hello, Dico! So, the Dubai chapter is finally closing na. And after all those years of hard work, it's time to come home for good. And parang OFW retirement party na ito. We're super excited to have you back. No more pasalubong request, though kasi local na ulit. Pero sabihin mo sa mga kasamahan mo dyan na huwag silang mag-alala kasi pag nag-visit tayo ng Dubai, papasalubungan pa rin natin sila ng chicharon at saka ng pastillas. So, get ready for the endless standbys, yung magiging kwentuhan natin, yung mga vacations, and of course, yung real home cook food. Siyempre, pag uwi ka ng Bulacan, for sure naman na paghahanda ka nila. And ganun din pag uwi ka dito sa Cavite. Ganun for sure naman paghahanda ka ni Cindy ng mga invento niyang mga luto. And of course, being boss around by everyone here. Yung ka naman kasi talaga dahil ikaw yung Jollibee ng pamilya. Actually, hindi na ng pamilya natin kahit na sa church and yung mga other affiliations na meron ka. So, ikaw yung Jollibee, bida-bida. Yung ka naman kasi talaga. Kasi, wala namang papantay dun sa mga binibigay mo. Lalo na kapag Christmas. Yan, kaya sobrang thankful. Ikaw lang din yung nakapag-gather sa family ng mga tatang ng isang summer outing yung tayo lahat. So, malalim yung place pero nakarating yung lahat. So, thank you. You've done so much out there and we're all proud of you. Now it's time to chill with the rest of home and create new adventures. Safe trip and safe safe. Okay na yung titira ng pagsamantala habang di pa natin yung ID na mag-isa sa place. By the way, final na rin pala ako sa uwi mo. So, isa ako sa susundo sa'yo. Alam ko na na sobrang itong mga paparating na mga araw, hindi ka na masyadong pagkakatulog kasi excited ka na umuwi. But, yun nga, enjoy mo lang yung the rest ng days na meron ka with your friends, with your loved ones na nandiyan sa Dubai. And, yun, so labas pa rin kayo and enjoy nyo lang yung mga araw na natitira pa ng pag-stay mo dyan. So, see you soon, Dico. Ingat ka and God bless. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Dico, congratulations on a job well done. For over 12 years, you have lived independently abroad. Thank you God for keeping you safe and healthy throughout your stay there. Thank you for your generosity, especially to the kids. We are truly blessed to have you as our Dico. Can't wait to see you and to give you a big hug. I love you!
Wishing you a smooth transition and much success in your new role closer to home.
We are so proud and happy, Dico, of all of your accomplishments there. We do pray for your safety and have a blessed and safe flight.
Thank you, Dico, for everything and we love you. God bless, Dico.
Hi, Dico. Thank you po sa lahat ng binigay niyo. Ingat po kayo dyan. God bless you. I love you.
We
love you, Dico. See you tomorrow!